After 7 days in Iraq, the White House said the United States is on track to end its combat mission at the end of August. The goal is to remove our US troops by 2011. The President was satisfied with the progress when we continue to see other security signs, but the Iraqi General Barbecue bosses said his country's army is not ready for the US forces to live until 2020. They have 15,000 actual combat troops, but the problem will be after 2011. Such comments do not surprise Iraqi expert Michael, a human at the Brookings Institution. Iraqi army officials are probably somewhat concerned that Iraqi politicians remain unable to form a government. Meanwhile, the Iraq is thinking on the very rapid American departure by the end of next year. U.S. Defense Secretary Robert Gates said even new Iraqi government wants to talk about extending the U.S. troops presence. The United States is open to that discussion, but he said the initiative has to come from the Iraqi. Again, Michael Human so is the general said that the United States is not welcome, and it would be better we could somehow leave. That's the emotional and political reality. On the other hand, among most politicians, their strategic stand that they would be better served to have US around a bit longer. As long as we play a supporting role, which we are clearly willing to do, a human said that the Americans continue to play a role in Iraq. US forces could support the country's air power, provide ongoing training for Iraqi ground forces, and help to develop trust among the different sectarian factions. Minh Quân, VOA News.